We're rolling up for another beautiful day. Look at this. First day of the paint, it was like 30-some degrees this morning. Woo! Tell ya, I got a call last night, and it wasn't a good one. Can't elaborate, but all I can say, I'll be happy when I can get this, that, and that out of here and move on to the next one. I never had a good feeling about this one. It wasn't through me. As long as I can say it, it's not good. So I'm gonna do my best just to get this thing knocked out, move on. What's he doing? Just a little ill communication. I gotta tell Carleato we're done. I'm gonna bucket that rest over there. Shut her down, unit! We got 2 turntables and a microphone. Oh shit, what am I running over? See, I try to mess with you guys and then I jack everything up. I got a scratch hammer's edge. Style. Hell, that's probably dirt in there from that pawn job we did. Let's bill them for that. That's billable dirt. Billable material. What's going on?
He was gonna leave the bed up and struck like that.
That's how he does. Probably no parking brackets. We'll look over, that thing will be bobbing. Hail Mary! Hey, if it can happen, it will. It's just, we'll chalk it up to the gooch. Hammer gooch. We got pipe there. You got to get this looking like something. Man, I don't know if they got the material to get done what they want done. He's real concerned about this. I just talked to him. See, I just told the customer, you know, you can't leave a septic like this. Look at that pipe running uphill. That's so it shoots the water out. Like old original hammer says, that head pressure push her out. Man, look at that concrete all undermined. Kind of just blend these edges in. Best we can do. Who knows what's in here? Kind of blindly. There's utilities in here. I don't know. Got her all laid out. Now it's time to whip it into shape with the old Excavator mobile. With this fresh topsoil like this, it does just as good as a Harley rake. Actually, if you Harley rake, I like hitting it with this too, man. That just takes out all the imperfections. It's gonna make it look bitchin', if you will. I'll do all this, then I'll have Hammer and Unit Boy grab all them big rocks. Man, October 9th, beautiful fall day. Start grabbing all those rocks and throwing them into the woods.
Alright.
We almost had to mark Hammer's log chain up to the gooch. It was laying there and I drug it up. Sir, could I ask you a question?
What?
Could I interest you in some of the Devil's Nectarine?
Yeah.
Put that down your puffer and see how it hits. On a Friday, you'll be spazzing kapazzing. How's that?
Real good.
That's right. Now we're going around hand picking up all the rocks. There's a bunch of them. I should have put it in the bid, $1 per rock I grab. I'd have made an extra 2,500 bucks. That's how you do it. You get your money and fuck up and then go shit so free. How come there ain't no good music like the 80s? The 80s, man, I don't know. Good stuff. Everything's computerized, generated, synthesized. Jacked up, jacked left, jacked right. I want to see you tonight. Give Daddy the bike. We're having a rock garden. Idaho would have loved this job. Here's the rock down. Look at. Bang goes the rock. Woohoo! You gonna make it up there? You got her locked in? No, not really. Must be an automatic. You can come up that way. Yeah, what I want to do is just back up there and fill that gap in and kind of go out with it. They got the big dog here today. He's working his magic. That's a nice looking truck. Boy, I'd have that thing destroyed, wouldn't I? She'll suck you back. There goes my, that's hell on a brand new truck. See, you can't keep nothing nice. It went all the way down to the mud. It's heavy. That's why people, you know, I don't hog out for people anymore. They always, you got a truck like that thing. Oh yeah, just back in here behind my house. I need a little, shoot me a little bit by the swimming pool here. We're gonna go over. You see that 2 ridges over? There's a little low spot. I want to get you over there and we'll put a couple shovels there and then I'm gonna run you back to the pasture. Got a little bit there and I'm in a 70,000 pound tracks with here. I don't think that can happen. Sorry, sir. Thank you for shopping with Orschell Excavating, but no thank you. When I had my little single axle, I ran loads for people all the time, but that's a little different. It's a dump truck, it ain't a off-road vehicle. He's giving her the beans to get up there now. See, I couldn't do that. I'm always using the LL and locking mine in. We get it in, we're not a gravel hauler, we're an excavation, so we, you know, that thing's moving dirt on us, we're doing everything. We're always groovy, intelligent, and making it look cool. That's the big dog. How much further I get off there, it's a little soft. It'll be balls deep to his axles. His unit shaft to be dragging. See, like I say, everything's always in the way, no matter where you put it. Come on back with your bad self. Roger that, he's been there, done that. Heck of a hill though, ain't it? I wouldn't want to live back here. And just like that, All the fun and excitement. There goes the OG dump truck driver. Man, I tell you, he loves it. We always bullshit about dump trucks and shit like that, and he's a banger. Been doing it his whole life, and he every day gets up with a smile. Just loves doing it, loves buying a truck. Same with me. If you guys ain't getting up, loving what you're doing, smiling, if you're going through grouchy, grumpy, do something different. You got one shot at this so-called life. Make it, live 100, man. Don't regret anything. Life goes by, your youth goes by quick. Words of wisdom. What do you think, unit? We got to edge this little concrete up there, kick that gravel in and put it by the edge. Do what you do best. Well, look at it, here it is. This is what I damn envisioned. Let me just give daddy the bike, sit back, let me do the work. You know what I'm saying? Don't be calling and raising whatever and I'm not finished. The finished product's not here. I like my work to be appreciated, you know. If I'm gonna put my name on this, if your name don't carry weight, if you ain't got your name and your word, you ain't got shit. That's what it looks like. Just step back, let me work my magic. We've been here a while. Front part's completely done. I edged all that. I don't know if I showed you all that, but this is it. Look at this. This is what I imagine. Look at these white lines. You grass seed this, straw it, you'll never see. I mean, this is golf course material right here. This is what they call pitching shit. You know, you're never gonna get this type of stuff if you just live in the box. Let's go, get outside, do it. Yeah, let me work my magic. Don't call complaining. I like my work to be appreciated. I'll be glad when them are on the truck. And I got one more day here. I got to dig Tuesday for my brother-in-law to do the retaining wall. Look at them cats, beautiful, beautiful, and more beautiful. 3:15 will be here Monday. So step back, let me work my magic. You know what I'm saying? Family, like always, I appreciate it, and I really mean that when I say family. You're the YouTube family. Bust them comments, that's what I strive for. I don't care what it is. Tell me, tell me something. I don't care. Well, keep banging them, boys. Ready to go to the next one. Septic, all kinds of stuff we got to do. Stay with us. See, I could as well jump out and do these edges, but I know how to do them. Carleato's got to figure it out, but he'll never learn. Look, Dad took the rake from me. Hey, step back, boy. Let me, I don't know, when you love what you do and you love doing it, man, just give me the goddamn tool and I'll just do it. It ain't no big deal. I don't give a shit. Step back, let me do it. I don't know what it is, but I really think that I can grade better in this thing. Maybe it's a longer track platform, I don't know. Maybe TikTok will quit hating on me. I see you hating.